Sup? I think this is gonna work. We're gonna hope for the best, at least. Welcome, Megan. So, as some of you may have seen, hi. I had some networking issues. I'm hoping some more people jump on. I'm gonna delete some stuff on my Discord so that way people don't get confused. So yeah, welcome to the fun experience that is my streams. My stream. But I am here back in my room, as you can see. Need to adjust this camera a little bit, don't I? Just a little bit. But we back. I am going to be streaming about my GitHub repositories today, because up until this point, I've talked about it a lot and said, oh, it's going to get put out eventually. Thanks. I'm glad you like my room. I got, my D&D ampersand. I got my Evil Dead poster. I got, my Fugler doll. My Mickey Mouse hat. I got a bunch of stuff back there. But yeah, I'm going to be doing a little bit of organization with my GitHub, get some stuff uploaded so that way I can make things public and you all could start playing with some stuff. The biggest challenge that I've had so far is just making it accessible, because I know, like, my Q tabletop, that one's not going public today because I still have to work on it quite a bit. Oh, caffeinate time. Thank you for that segue. I'll switch to this. As everybody knows, the best ways to support the channel are to subscribe. Well, first of all, follow, so that way you get notifications to come watch. Secondly, to subscribe. Thirdly, to do any form of donation-based support, whether that be a tip, which is, you can do the exclamation point donation in the chat to get my tip line. You can purchase a gift off of the Twitch list that I have. It's just various items that I need to improve the stream. Oh no, it's donate. I'm slow. I'm sorry. Maybe I should add that one so they both work. But yeah, my Twitch list is just full of a few things that will benefit the stream quality and efficiency and just keep things a-rolling as best as I can. Thank you. But the other thing that you can do to help out is, which is why I'm happy that someone dropped the caffeinate reward, is that you can purchase yourself a Beyond Beard mug. The campaign is running for, I think, another 10 days. It allows you to make a purchase, and then after those 10 days, it'll ship out your mug. It does not mean that is the only time that these mugs are going to be available, but it does mean... Oh. My bitrate's being funky. But it's back to normal. Oh, Comcast, you stupid bastard. Anyway, but yes, the Beyond Beard mug. If you want my face on a mug, you should do it. But yes, all those links after the stream are over are available in the About section of my Twitch. So please jump over there if you have the opportunity. Thank you, Megan, for that. My moderators are awesome. Every time I'm just like, oh shit, I should write that down, they're already one step ahead of me and putting it in the Discord. Okay, so what else? Shout outs. Give a couple shout outs. One, I saw Hannah was in the chat. Hannah is trying to get a D&D campaign set up where I would be the dungeon master, and we're currently in a side Discord channel right now trying to make that happen. So that will be exciting. I don't know if it'll be a part of the stream, but I'm hoping to get those people together and roll a few dice with them. I'm excited about it. But speaking of Discords, as Rev just dropped, if you aren't already, please join the Discord. It is my number one place to post new and exciting information about the stream, as well as just other awesome things. We have a whole section called Chan Fam, which is mostly just about all of us collaborating together on cool techie things that we're doing, art projects, music projects, comics and books that we're reading, and just collaborating together. It's a whole lot of freaking fun. And the moderators in the chat today are also moderators on the Discord. So that way, if you jump over there, all of the information of you being a follower and a subscriber will get updated. There's also a place for you to just do it on your own, just in case we're a little bit swamped with the setup. Oh, my bitrate is bonkers right now. I hope it's not terrible out there. I know my lovely friend Beaky, another streamer, was having some horrendous bitrate issues yesterday and had to actually cancel her stream. I was hoping I wasn't going to have to do that. I actually technically did do that, but then my bitrate seemed to be cooperating, so I decided to jump on and give it a shot. If my bitrate gets absolutely horrendous, we will have to stop the stream, which is upsetting, but I'm going to go as hard as I can for as long as I can. So I appreciate everyone who has tuned in. Please give a follow, subscribe if you can, and all of the lovely names that are going by in the chat, if you have the opportunity to jump onto their streams. Megan Wilson in particular, she is currently building a Pokédex as a web app. So that way you can just pull it up on your tablet or your computer and you can search the entire Pokemon lexicon right there on your device in a nice little web app. You pull it up on any device. It's super cool. That's what they're working on. They also developed an app called iHog. Jump over there, give them a follow, subscribe if you can. But without further ado, since I am a little bit late getting live, I didn't want to take up too much time at the beginning, so that way I could spend some more time digging into the GitHub stuff. Before I do want to just drop one quick thing. My nice camera angle up here that is completely different color temperature, and I'm really upset about it. I'll fix it, I promise. Looks a little bit better now because I got some lights actually on my guitars, which was one of the issues I was having previously, was that it was just complete darkness when I switched to this camera. And then this camera shot, which right now just has Stitch, but normally would have Chandler. So that will be the stand-in for Chandler for the time being. So that way we can switch over to this screen and actually start doing some work. I do have to throw up... Is it this? It's this. Okay. What up? Dropping some channies in the chat. Ooh. I hate how freaking dark that is right now. We'll see how that goes. Anyway, so oh no. Okay, cool. So yeah, fancy camera switches. It's what I got going on. But yeah, we are going to, maybe it would just be better if I pulled this over. Yeah, that looks okay. That looks better. I'm gonna brighten that up just a little bit. I can actually read the texts over. So let's hope my bitrate survives. But we are going to get some things squared away in GitHub. The ones that I am going to focus on today, because I get a lot of people asking, is the QLab Touch Bar. Right now, it's in the Better Touch Tool app, which I don't know if any of you have ever used. It is a fantastic application. I actually dropped the money on it. A lot of people just use the free version, which is totally okay. Thank you for the lurk, Velour. But I paid for it because there are a lot of things that I wanted to do that were only going to be possible if I purchased the app. I think it only was like $18 or something to buy it, so it wasn't that bad. But yeah, just to kind of show you what we're looking at. So if I'll just open up QLab. I'm not going to open up a show. I have this custom touch bar. This is just a touch bar simulator, so that way I can show it to you without like dropping a camera over my shoulder. I created this custom touch bar that allows you to insert new cues, lock your playlist, panic, which is just the escape key, change the number, the cue name, the color of the cue, pre-wait action, post-wait, make it auto-continue. That's better than dropping 400 on a pen testing tool. That's a lot of money. Wait, can't you just test on your hand? Or is that not the type of pen you're talking about? But yeah, anyway, so a lot of customizations, pop up the settings, all that great stuff. And then if you press Shift or Control or Alt or Command, it shifts to a bunch of other different features that QLab likes to see. Now, some of the biggest issues with getting this, I'm going to quit that and I'm going to quit QLab. Some of the biggest issues with this is that it's really hard to export things all just for the one application. It likes to export all of them at once. So I'm going to have to... I should drop the EOS one next. I'll do the QLab first. So I have to essentially export this preset and then re-import it with another name, delete all the other apps, re-export it, and then I can drop it in the GitHub. Why did ever release a keyboard with the touch bar? Yeah, that would be incredible. Being able to have, like, I thought when they released the Pro keyboard line, like the new Magic Keyboard Pro or whatever it's called, for the iMac Pro, I thought that's when they were going to drop it, because having a long Pro-sized keyboard that has a touch bar along the top, I don't think they could have made it wireless. That's the biggest problem. And then they'd probably require you to have they probably require you to have a 3.0 high-powered USB port to use it, or just USB-C only. But again, would have been awesome, but it is Apple we're talking about. They kind of do what they want to. I am definitely in the Apple machine. Like, I am a part of it through and through. But they do what they want to. I caffeinated even though nobody told me to, so okay, so let's export this bad boy to include all the options you changed in Better Touch Tool settings, or do you want to include the various triggers? Only triggers, because I don't want to fuck up somebody else's settings. Nah. Save. Now we re-import. It should label it as QLab. Delete old copies. Wait, is it not going to label? This happened last time. Yeah. Okay, so I think what I need to do is rename this before I import. Now import. Start. Let's see if this actually functions. Nope. Okay. DDM. Import. QLab. Start. Oh, this is being a little bit of a little shit. This is annoying. Oh my god, friends, if you could see, I'm actually gonna do this real quick. This is what I'm dealing with my bitrate right now. Look at that. Look at all those drops. Fuck you, Comcast. I hate it. Okay. Okay, how did I do this before? Let's call this QLab. Enter. Okay, cool. Now I should be able to import it. And it'll call it main because that's what it was called when it exported. In theory. Whoa. That was weird. Just opened shit, like, in a bunch of different windows. Okay, so. Okay, we're jumping over to QLab. Edit. Paste. Is it going to do it? Is it going to do it? I didn't realize this was all going to be better touch tool. Main. QLab. Import. QLab. Start. Let's see if this works. This Twitch Kurt this playlist that Twitch put together with a couple creators so that way you don't get copyright struck is a bop. Oh shit. My 7 key got damaged. When did that happen? That's really upsetting. Fine. Okay, I think I did it. Jesus, that... Oh my god. Because I don't want to export all of it. I just want QLab. Okay. We're going to the Google machine, friends. A fucking sloth! Sorry. I love sloths, if you couldn't tell. That wasn't helpful. Look, it deleted QLab. Or I deleted QLab. Never mind. Never mind. Okay, let's try this one more time. Export. Triggers and settings. Save. Replace. Main. Import. QLab. Install main. Why is it? Guys. This is pissing me off. Quick reminder for anybody who is here for the first time. If you're feeling fancy, you can drop some XP, which are my channel points, down below the chat window for things like hydrate, caffeinate, no cursing, ban a word that I say, ban my voice in general. Up to you. Caffeinate is my favorite because it means I keep to drink coffee. Speaking of coffee, if you can, the mugs are pretty legit. I wish they were bigger, but you know what? They fit on my coffee warmer perfectly. So, why isn't this working? Blah, blah, blah. Thank you. Okay, let's try this one more time. QLab. We go back to main. I edit. Copy selected items. QLab. Edit. Paste. Maybe I have to do... Maybe I have to add the app, select all the triggers. That might be it. So let's go back to main. QLab. Select all. Copy. QLab. QLab. Paste. Aha! I fucking did it! Woohoo! Cool. Did it keep all the icons and all the folders? It looks like it did. But this looks really funky. I have a feeling that it's gonna look real weird when I open up QLab. Yep, it looks really fucking weird. Why did I have to create touch bar for all these other apps? Like a dingus. How am I looking and sounding out there, friends? My face gets pretty dark if I lean in that far. That's better. Okay. Let's try this one more time, shall we? Delete. QLab. Okay, that's a good sign. Literally all I'm doing is trying to friggin' make it so that this app will let me export this data. And I broke it. Awesome. That happens every once in a while. I do something for too long and I friggin' break it. There you are. Okay. Whew. I was worried. Copy. QLab. Oh, that's gross. Why did it... It is so upsetting. Why did it paste out of order? It looks so ugly. I'm gonna delete selected. We're gonna call this Dustin. I call it QLab so that way it exports as such. It takes a long time for this preset to rename itself. Okay. Export highlighted. Triggers and settings. Why did it save to the applications folder? Dustin. Import. Let's give it a try. Preset overrides BTT preferences. So is the... I think the problem, friends, what's happening is that it wants to import it into the one that's currently open. So if I create a new one called QLab, select QLab, import, applications, that is so interesting. So it erases the main That makes absolutely no sense. Maybe this isn't the one I'm doing right now. Yeah, let's move on to QLab Stream Deck. So I started making as some of you remember, or I did make this custom Stream Deck page for Stream Deck. I'm gonna make a new profile and call it QLab. And what I'm gonna do is make a I'm gonna build it a little bit better, but a very basic Stream Deck for QLab, like a 1-page, maybe 2-page thing. I wonder if this is gonna work. I'm gonna give this a shot. I do it this way, apparently. This is the new version of the app, right? Yeah, okay. Really? Cool. So that'll open QLab for some. Oh, really? So yeah, right now it opens up QLab, and then it's got some scripts in here. Show title. And then open. What text do I have this one set to? Tahoma! Not bold. Tahoma 18. Open scripts. Okay. So I am going to export this profile. Just this one. And upload it to... Well, I'm gonna store it in here. Projects. Oh wait, no. Dustin, you're stupid. Okay, I'm not stupid, but I have the GitHub app. I thought I did. Didn't I have it? I thought I had it synced. Man, I'm... Well, let's at least get it exported. Just throw it on the desktop for now. Okay. Yeah, that's another thing, friends. I don't know how GitHub works. I've been trying my damnedest to kind of know what's up, but yeah, I really feel kind of like a novice when it comes to GitHub. Thank you, Riv. Yeah, because I have these OSC things that I can throw in here for this. Like, I'm trying to think of all the stuff that QLab can accept. Yeah. Yeah, I just want simple OSC commands. Like go and stuff like that. So you can just have a Stream Deck. Anyway, that's not why I'm streaming. So I have this now uploaded. I do have it. Where the hell is it? Okay. Yeah, because I uploaded Q Tabletop already. Show and Finder. Okay, I'm not crazy. Ah. I'm gonna do 0.01. It is in its minuscule earliest form. Initial upload. Open application and open application button and custom scripts button folder. Cool. That's committed. Okay. Look at that. Awesome. Cool. Okay, so QLab Stream Deck is at least working. So I think we can make this public. Oh. Well, I don't know what password I typed in before. Okay, so QLab Stream Deck is now public. Which means I'm going to drop it in the Discord. And I pinned it to the top, so anybody who wants to play around with it, you can. Oh, that's why my ear was so uncomfortable. You can now. And people are already liking it. See, that's why you should join the Discord if you haven't already. Cool. So. Got it. Okay, I really want to get the better touch tool thing figured out. So, export, import, preset. How the heck do presets work? Oh, it's the UUID. That makes total sense. Mother trucker. Okay, so basically what I need to do, delete QLab. So all that's left is Dustin. Name this QLab. Export, triggers and settings, desktop, replace. Dustin. Export, triggers and settings, desktop, import, QLab, start. Okay, so it should have renamed this. What? Mute for an hour. Done. Okay. Cool. So, where is it? Export settings, rename your setup, export it under a new name. This is really confusing, Better Touch Tool. Why'd you make it so confusing? That's so interesting. Triggers and setting. Let's save it not on the desktop then. Important. Save. There we go. Okay. So import main. Make sure. Okay. Import QLab. QLab. Awesome. So now I can delete this one. Delete this one. Re-export as QLab desktop. Replace. Now I should be able to import main Okay. Awesome. Okay, that was stupid, but I did it. Okay, so now we can go to QLab Touch Bar. Show and Finder. .01. Initial upload. Commit to main. Push origin. Oh yeah. Thank you both for that. I'm glad that my moderators are basically my note takers during my stream. I appreciate it very much. Okay. So now QLab Touch Bar has been pushed. There we go. So we can make this public. Na-na. I also have to probably talk to you, Megan, if you're watching, about that GitHub auto integration that when I push like a commit or something, it automatically posts over in Discord in the correct channel. I think that would be incredible. Okay, cool. Got those two. Awesome. Now the big boy, BOI boy, is the QLab Touch Bar. Oh, nope. Bake Q Tabletop. So this one is absolutely massive. And it includes all the audio, the video files, the QLab for the effects, the fonts, all that shit. Like, look at how many videos are in here. And audio files have been pulled. Like, it's a lot. Luckily, all the files and stuff I have are royalty free. So, well, correction, royalty free or video game. So it's allowed on Twitch. That I don't feel as bad uploading them all at once. But I think, whoops, I think the file itself is fucking massive. But it's not ready for the big leagues yet, or I would upload it. Another couple things that I've been meaning to play with and get up and running is I'd like to share the essentially the not API, I guess technically it's an API for X32 boards to be able to trigger them via OSC and have a big long list of all the things to control it, because I found different things in different locations but never all in the same place about how you can actually trigger that console. with OSC. I'm also going to do the same thing with the TF5 because I actually have a TF5. Well, I don't, but work does. I hate that this song gets all digitized. It makes me think that something's wrong with my audio. Okay. Cool. So, what's next? What are we doing? Oh! Megan, are you still out there? Thank you, Rev. Oh, I gotta fill up my coffee. Megan! Megan! Where are you? Megan, I need an adult. I hope you can all hear that coffee. Damn. Okay. I am just gonna then pull a sneaky and jump on her Discord and see nope. GitHub updates. Oh, it's just the GitHub bot. Is that a thing? Oh, shoot. Add a webhook to your repository pointing to select any events you would like to listen for. Oh, let's do this. We're doing this. Are we actually doing this? Integrations, webhooks, GitHub. Oops. GitHub. You can't see any of this, and I apologize. Can I only do specifics? I need the GitHub logo. Images. This one's cute. Okay, cool. So next, add a webhook pointing to... Okay, wait. Add a webhook to your repository pointing to this. Okay. So Stream Deck. How do I add webhooks? There they are. Add webhook. Boom. Nope, 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 nope. I think Chandler's here, friends. Oh, Jenny! Come here. Up. Come say hi. Oh, she's here! Everyone! Chandler is here! She's gone! Oh, it's too loud. Ooh. Go to your repository. Click Settings tab, Webhook Services, add webhook, add the above URL, content type, application JSON. Application JSON. Yes. Thank you, Rev. Add webhook. Application JSON. Add update webhook. Okay. Cool. Authorize the bot. Beyond. Authorize. I am a human. Hey, GitHub's in the chat. Look at that. Now what? Once the bot is added to your server, you can interact with it by using the commands listed below. First, I need to make him a bot. I can go into QLab Stream Deck. DBG add Dustin D. I should actually just copy it from here, huh? Wait, I'm in Stream Deck, yeah. I will now post updates about... Yes! Yes! Oh my god, I'm pulling this over because I think it's legit and I want you all to see it. Because otherwise I'm doing it in secret and no one likes that. So yeah, I just added that. So now I should do it to my other repository too. QLab touch bar, settings, Webity hooks, add Webity hook, application JSON, add webhook. Boom! And then I can go to the chord of dis and do dbg add crap. Touch bar. Is that what it is? Oh. Chandler! Awesome. Sweet. You gonna not? My cat. God damn. Okay. It's not a place for you to stand anymore, Chan. I changed it. That's funny. Okay, cool. That's really easy to do. And I'm going to do this for safekeeping so that way I don't muck it up. Cool. Awesome. That was a quick and easy little... Is there more that it can do? Add, remove. Sweet. That's super simple and everything that I want. Cool. So if I go here and add a README, oh, does this support Markdown? Is that what this is? Touch bar preset for better touch tool. Includes, oh, I should do import preset to better touch tool. Is there an instructions on the actual better touch tool website? Because I would appreciate it if it was easy. Hey, Chan. You can come up. There you are. Oh, she's chilly. You know what I can do? I had, for the longest time, a, basically a typical email that I would send to people when they would ask for the touch bar. And I could just go find that and copy and paste it into this email. Yep, Channy's here, everyone. She's in the dark, but she's here. Wonder if I can brighten her up. Kind of see her. Let's do aperture priority. That fixed it. Okay. Now you can see her. Little Chan Chan. Okay. Yeah, see, I had this nice description. I have no idea if I can bring it in piece by piece. Or if I can just paste it. Preview. How do I insert images? I'm guessing I need to point to a specific URL. It kind of looks okay. Yeah, all these pictures were so nice. I'm really upset that they're not. Hmm. Yeah. Broke all the screenshots. Copy image address? Is that what I can do? Is that gonna work? Preview. No. How do I... What is this written in? Does anybody know? Like what code? Oh, MD. How about add images to GitHub README? So I think what I need to do, which is going to be really obnoxious, is I need to upload these into a private text channel. So that way I can grab them later. Image dump. It'll be just for me. This is definitely not the right way to do this, friends. But guess what? It's what I'm doing. I just want to copy the image. I don't want to save it. It's gonna work. Yeah, because Discord is awesome and they actually host all these images. As long as I don't delete them, I can go back to them later. Because now all of these are hosted on Discord, so I can actually copy link and go back to here. And instead of this big long ass thing from Google, boom, look, PNG. PNG, yo. So if I go to preview, I am a coding master. Look at how nice that is. Okay. So, how did I describe this? Navigate to touch bar setting option, drop down section of the app. So now in theory, if you hover over it, okay. Nope, cancel. Edit new file. Okay, so then we need copy link. So now I know it's exclamation point BTT import preset. Boop. Boop. Looks so good. I also love that you can see screenshots of various things behind this image when I originally made this. Cool. So next I did what image? It was copy Mac OS custom keyboard shortcuts. Network patch. I actually think that I'm going to be way happier just giving people this GitHub link instead of before, which was me trying to explain it to them over, what you call it? Email. It was so difficult. Copy image. Oh, I need to copy link, Dustin. Show edit mode button. Copy link. Copy link. Show mode. Oops. Nope. Edit mode. Touch bar. Show mode. Touch bar. Oh, this is looking so good. It's looking just like it did when I tried to email it to people, which is what I was hoping. It just kind of, it looks way better. Auto continue mode button. What other formatting did I do? Those were all bold and underlined. Okay. So bold and underlined and markdown is doot. Oops. Doot. Right? It didn't underline it. Underline text in GitHub readme. I don't think I can underline. But I can do cancel. Oh, do I gotta put a space? It works, holy shit. Too many T's. Okay. Boop. Mac OS system keyboard shortcuts. QLab workspace setting. Custom scripts. Hope this looks as good as I want it to. Preview. I saw you could link down to things. Let's find that. Relative links. Oh, okay. For example, if you have a README file in the root. Okay. I think this is good enough for now, right? Initial upload. Let's see if it pops over. I just heard a Discord noise. Did it work? Did it work? Holy shit. Y'all. Holy shit. Like I said, I'm a coding and scripting master now. That's just what this is. Ah, man. It makes my heart happy that it's just working now. I think I do want to I'm not going to change the name. It's not important. Oh, this looks so good now. So that way when somebody navigates the QLab touch bar from here, I don't know what window it's popping up over here. So when someone navigates, it just pops up automatically. Yes. It's what we like to see. Oh my God, I'm so happy. This looks so good. Yeah, because this is what it used to look like in an email. And then you go over here and it's all here. First in line and ooh, where's the better touch tool? Link. Copy link address. Let's see if this works. Link updates. Haha! Better touch tool. Look at that. Look at that. Does it update here? History. Initial commit. Changes. Show and finder. It should exist here, right? What is the... Do I have to fetch origin? Pull origin. Show and finder. There it is. Okay, that was my bad. Woo! Feeling pretty good about this, friends. Feeling pretty good. I mean, just worked. It definitely took way too much work for me to get there, but hi. Come here. Everyone wants to say hi. Getting there real deep like. I love you, girly. Why don't you pop a squat? Just lay down. Cat Dad and Channies. Okay, so I'm feeling a lot better about GitHub right now, friends. Because if we go here, I have a blog post that I posted about this. And instead of saying, hey, email me, I'm just going to put the GitHub link. What do we say? Yeah, because I got a lot more info on here. Like what the touch bar does and what it looks like. So yeah, let's edit this blog entry. Blog.
See the stars.
Do any of you use Wix for your websites? I know that Megan uses Squarespace, but Wix has been my preferred website. Also, I made this in April. This post is almost a year old now, and I still get messages about it. Preset and instructions. I am available for any and all questions. There we go. But yeah, this legitimately gets me emails. I would say maybe once a month now. But now instead of, hey, email me, it should say, hey, go to this GitHub link. Yeah, I was tempted to bring all of this over. Like, pretty much duplicate this blog. But I think what I'll do instead is add more information on look and feel of the touch bar. Jump over to my blog post. Kayla's home. She's saying hi to Chandler. blog post link added. Perfect. That's what I wanted. I feel pretty good about this. Pretty darn good about this. So, since Kayla is home and we need to eat some dinner, I am going to jump over to here. She's got hiccups like, whoa. Thank you everyone for tuning in and watching this, especially since I was a little bit late today. I blame Comcast. Hashtag fuck Comcast. I will be back on Saturday. I am doing Play Me a Story for The Witcher 3 episode 5. We just got to the Bloody Baron and we are going to apparently look for his wife and daughter, I think. So that way he can give us more information about Ciri, and then we'll continue on from there. We'll see how it goes. But definitely tune in on Saturday, 6 p.m. Eastern. I will be hopefully online right on time, so check in there. And then next week, I plan on hopefully starting that new kind of rough schedule that I was talking about. Tuesday tech sort of days, Thursday being something a little bit more creative and artsy. And then Saturdays are going to be my longer streams / my gaming streams. So definitely look out for those, and always check in the about section of my Twitch for updates on that, so that way you know what's coming next. Join the Discord, please. It is a fun time. And the socials, please add them. Oh, it's okay. And we will be back on Saturday for Play Me a Story, where we will see how high my death count will get. It's going to be great. Now that I have moderators, they can keep track of my deaths for me. So, yes, check out my Twitch list. I really appreciate it. I'm going to have some more commands coming soon, because now that my GitHub is actually live, I can actually share that stuff with you. And you can all play around with it if you want. So, oh, and then finally, one that I think I have a code for still. If you're looking for that blog post, it's on my portfolio page. So that's dustindmiller.design. So check that out if you're feeling fancy. But with that, I think I'm going to log off and see you all Saturday, then Tuesday, then Thursday. So design and conquer, my friends, and have an excellent, excellent night.